Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very hot topic, drop shipping. More specifically, I will share my opinion on a tool that could revolutionize the way you do drop shipping in 2024. I am, of course, referring to Minea. Let's get started. First off, what is Minea? Minea is an all-in-one platform for those engaged in drop shipping. Imagine a place where you can search for products to sell, manage orders, and track deliveries all without leaving the platform. That's what Minea offers. But it's important to know that Minea is a highly coveted tool for finding winning products. Firstly, I will tell you about the advantages, then the disadvantages of Minea. But before that, you should know that there is a link in the description of this video, which will allow you to sign up for Minea and have full access to the platform. Don't hesitate to click on the link in the description to sign up for Minea. Moreover, I've included a promo code in the description, which will give you a 20% discount on your Minea subscription. Now, let's start with the advantages. First, the time saving. By consolidating all your operations on one platform, you can spend more time on what really matters, like marketing or creating content for your site. Next, the maximization of products, because the tool also gives you the means to maximize your profits by allowing you to compare prices between different suppliers and adjust your prices accordingly. And that's really something we were missing back in the day. I can tell you that, because seriously, having a tool like this makes all the difference. Then we have the improved customer experience. Because thanks to Minea, you can track deliveries in real time, which is an excellent way to improve the customer experience. Yes, because the more you make your customers happy, the more likely they are to return. Next, we will tackle customer support. Yes, because another positive point is the customer service of Minea. Because if you have a question or a problem, their team is always there to help you. Now, let's tackle the disadvantages. The first downside is the cost, because subscriptions start from $29 per month, which can be a bit expensive for someone just starting out. But what I'm going to tell you is that it's really worth it because it will allow your business to move much faster and generate much more money than if you didn't have this tool. So in the end, it's not even a disadvantage because the benefits you will get from this tool will more than cover this expense. Then another disadvantage, which isn't really one, is the learning curve. Because although the platform is quite intuitive, it offers many features that can be a bit complex for beginners. But it's okay. You just have to spend some time on the platform to master everything. And after that, it's fine. As I told you, the link to access Minea is in the description. If you click on my link, you will have full access to the platform. The link is in the description. Feel free to click in summary. If you are drop shipping or considering getting started, you should seriously consider using Minea because its benefits, such as the centralization of all your activities and the optimization of profiles, far outweigh the few disadvantages that I've just mentioned above. So friends, don't hesitate to subscribe. Feel free to like this video and check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time.